Well, good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing this morning? Well, as always, I hope the day finds you at your absolute best. Uh, this morning, I'm gonna roast the chicken and some sweet potatoes. Not together, but I'm gonna roast the chicken and sweet potatoes. I have had a lot of requests for roasted chicken, honey. This ain't hard at all. As a matter of fact, it's quite easy. Now, you see down here, wait, let me get my roasted on. You see down here, I have this is a 3.5 pound bird, 3.5 pound chicken that I've washed and split. Now I'm gonna cut a little of this fat off, because I don't want all this fat on there. This is simple, easy recipe. Okay. Now that's it. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get me some paper towels over here, and I'm gonna pat this bird dry. I have my oven preheated to 375. Okay. Now I pat it dry on that side, so now what I'm fixing to do is move this out of the way and bring the pan I'm gonna cook it in over here, and I'm gonna pat it dry on this side. Okay. Now, I'm gonna turn it back. Well, no, I'm gonna go back on the inside first, so when I turn it on this side, I won't have to turn it over no more. Now that I patted it dry, I'm gonna take some butter and rub him good, or her. Rub him good with this butter. If you want to, you can melt it. It does work better melted, but I didn't. Lord. Okay. It'll work a little better melted. I guess I should have, because this ain't working too good on this cold bird, but it'll be alright. Butter gonna melt. I like to take a little of it and stick it up under the skin. Yeah. Now, so I don't have to touch all my containers with my chicken hands, I put my seasoning in this little cup. And this is garlic powder, onion powder, a little thyme, a little rosemary, and a little paprika. So I'm just going to season it down real good. And also a little black pepper. Y'all see, let me see, can I get y'all a little closer? Okay. Yeah. Season it down real good. Now I'm going to turn it over. That butter falling right down up under it. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Rub him down with some butter. Y'all, and it sure works better if the butter is melted, or at least room temperature. So we're going to make this work. Get that butter all up under there. Now, if you don't want to use butter, you can use oil. And I didn't put any salt in this rub because I'm using salted butter. Okay. Now that's it. It's going to run down as it melts. That's it. And I'm going to put my seasonings on it. And I'm not going to cover this. And it's going to cook for about an hour and a half or until my juices come out clear. Okay. And you see, that's how it's looking now. Okay, guys, to go with my roasted chicken, I'm going to also have me some baked sweet potatoes. Now, I got these sweet potatoes in the sink that I have washed, and 2 of them, I don't know, maybe 3. I'm just going to wrap in some foil. I'm going to get the biggest ones to wrap in the foil because we're going to eat those with butter and brown sugar and cinnamon. So, yeah. Here's the big one. And I don't know, I don't want the rest of them just laying. I mean, I don't have anything. I might just take the rest of them and make a pie. Looks like enough for one pie, so I think I'm going to go and cook them all. But these is going to be cinnamon butter and brown sugar. I think I'm just going to put these in the pan and let them cook along with the rest. I got my oven set at 400, so it'll take these about an hour or 45 minutes. I'll let y'all know when I get back. Okay, guys, now I need something green to go along with my roasted chicken and my sweet potato. I need something green, so I'm making a salad, a spinach salad. So in this bowl, I have, I guess, about half a bag of spinach. Now, you can leave out anything that I put in this salad and you don't like. You can leave it out and add what you like. Make it entirely like you want to make it. That's my chicken smelling amazing. And I'm fixing to check it. So y'all hold on a minute. Okay, guys, that chicken is smelling amazing and looking amazing. But I want it just a little bit more darker. So I put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay. Now, let's get the salad made to go with our chicken. Now, in this bowl is my spinach. Now, to my spinach, I'm going to add some strawberries that I've cut. Now, I may or may not use all these strawberries, but I'm going to put some down up under here because I like to have strawberries all over my salad. This particular salad. Okay. And I just leave these in case they want some more strawberries. Okay. Now I'm gonna add hey there.
Hey.
What's that?
My medicine from yesterday.
Oh, okay. Now I'm going to add my purple onions. There again, I'm not going to use all these, I don't think. a spinach salad.
What I smell?
The chicken in the oven. How it smell?
You know how it smells. Good.
Yeah. What you gonna eat?
Yes, I eat some eggs and stuff on it. And I don't know if I want this chicken and waffle in here.
You want an omelet?
I deal with one if you don't mind making it. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, we can go and get rid of this.
What?
You've been picking off of it.
Yeah, I have. Now I'm putting some dried cranberries in it.
We got next. I'm going to get you a new thing. We're going to do our own roast beef at home. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. And it's up to you how many cranberries you want to put in it.
Put a bunch of them in.
Ew. But it's looking so pretty.
Hey, Dale.
Yeah.
Say, oh, sweet tooth. He loves something sweet. It's hot.
Okay. And that's it with the exception of this bacon. Now, this is 3 strips of bacon I just cooked on real low to render the fat and get it real crispy. And I chopped it up, but I didn't chop it up real fine because I want to taste the bacon. Mm-hmm. It's so pretty. Okay. Now the last thing I'm going to add is some feta. And if you don't like feta, don't add it. But I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit around just like that. Okay. Voila, that's it. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share it is caring. Share the love. So I'll be back in a minute with my finished, easy roasted chicken. See you in a few.
Yeah, put your arm.
Okay, guys, here is the finished product of the roasted chicken. Smelling amazing. So, and you saw how easy it was. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me get y'all back up here. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. And also, before I go, I had a wonderful, wonderful friend to send me a lid picker-upper. You know, when you're canning, y'all too close. When you're canning, that lid picker up. Yeah, so Natalie, thank you so very, very much. Let me get this out my eyes. Thank you so very, very much. I truly appreciate it. I can use it. It will be used. I thank you, thank you, thank you. You all are some wonderful people. Make me feel so special. Quick story before I go. Yesterday at church, we had a young man that was visiting. He and his wife. And I'm an usher at church. So when I got to him to get his envelope, he looked at me and he said, he whispered and leaned over just like I'm doing now and said, "You Miss D?" I said, "I sure am, Miss D." And after church, he and his little wife came up, cute little couple came up to me. And he said, "Miss D, you fixed a sandwich look so good for your husband." I don't know what sandwich he was talking about. He said, "But I told my wife, that was a good looking sandwich. I want one just like that." Sure did. It always makes me feel so good when I meet somebody who recognizes me and appreciate more than anything. Appreciate these videos and appreciate the fact that I'm trying to just show you some recipes and give you some ideas on how you can cook for your family. So until next time, guys, I love y'all. Thank you so very much for choosing to spend some time with me cooking today. And until next time, love, peace, and blessings. Bye-bye.